Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with the sign that I got at Dollar Tree. I couldn't find one of the plain ones with just the lines on it, so I am going to sand off this inside. And it wasn't very hard. I actually thought it was going to be harder than it was. I just put a really tough grit sandpaper on my sander and went through and sanded it all off and then went over it with a lighter one, just to smooth it all back out. Once I had it all sanded off, as you can see, it's not perfect, but that's okay. I'm going to take some antique wax and wax the whole inside of the frame. And as you can tell, like once you put the wax on, you don't even notice the other stuff at the bottom. I just didn't want those black lines and that white to show. And once I put the wax on, you couldn't see any of that once I had sanded. So now that I have it all waxed, I am going to paint the outside frame with a deep red color. And I did the whole outside, even the edges. And I did 2 coats of this all the way around just to make sure that it was really deep and dark red. And I tried really hard not to get any on the stained piece in the center. So once I had that all painted, I'm going to take this sign that I got at, I think it was Dollar General or Family Dollar, maybe Family Dollar. And it was just these 3 hearts. So I was going to pull it all apart, but they really had the staples in there good. So I decided that I was just going to cut off the twine in between each heart, so that they were just individual hearts. And just trim off the edges so that none of it was hanging out. And now I have these 3 cute little hearts. I'm going to pull off this bow that they had on there. And then I'm going to glue those down onto the sign. So I'm just going to kind of stage them on there to see what they look like, make sure that they were far enough apart. And then I'm just going to glue them down. Made sure that they were all straight, and that is so cute. I like it way better than just the hanging hearts. I think this adds more. Then I just took this little bow that's the Hugs and Kisses from Dollar Tree and put that where that other bow was, and that is it. I think this turned out so super cute. It was really, really easy, and I like it much better than just the hanging hearts. I feel like this could be hung in so many more different places. And I think it's just absolutely adorable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.